This is the Grind and Brew coffee maker from Umeda. If you're a coffee enthusiast like me, this will be the best solutions to stick around. It works very efficiently, only requires 600 watts of power, making suitable for home use. It has 600 milliliter capacity water tank, so you can make it more coffee for your friend or your family. What I like about this coffee maker is that there's two different options to make. You can use their classic filter for an instant process, or you can just use the burr shape of the grinder to make it more traditional. The most important thing for me about this coffee maker is the design and convenience. It has an aesthetic compact design with a broken white, grey color finish, and it's easy to carry, easy to clean, and washable. So, this is really great to enjoy fresh coffee aroma every time you brew.